Good morning students. In this video we will be seeing some more trigonometric sums of A level. I am trying to tell different kinds of sums. So let us continue now. Another type of sum which is asked frequently is this one. Use expansion of cos 2x plus x. Show x. Using this you need to show that cos 3x equal to this much you get. Using cos 2x plus x, you need to show cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. I am taking LHS first. So cos 3x. How can I write this cos 3x as 2x plus x? Now use the formula of cos a plus b. What is the formula? Cos 2x into cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now cos 2x, what formula shall I use? On the right hand side all are cos. So I should use only cos 2x in terms of cos. That formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. Here 2x, half of it is x minus. Formula for sin 2x, it is 2 sin x cos x. Here into cos x is also there, this cos x. Now multiply with that cos x. It becomes 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus, here into sin x is also there. Sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x and into sin x. It becomes 2 sin square x cos x. So now here 2 cos cube x minus cos x. This sin square should be changed. So minus 2 cos x I write outside and in place of sin square I put a cos square x. So now multiply, what result do you get? 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x. So how much will this become? 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x becomes 4 cos cube x. Minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3 cos x, which is my RHS. Hence I proved the sum. Clear? In the same way you need to prove sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This sum I am allowing you to prove it. Exactly in the same way, change cos in terms of sin and do it. Clear? You should get. Now, as we proved for cos and sin, in the same way you need to prove this. Tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. How do you do? Again I take LHS. Tan 3x can be written as 2x plus x. I use the formula now, tan a plus b. In place of a it is 2x, in place of b it is x. So it becomes tan 2x plus tan x by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Right? Again now for tan 2x I have a formula which is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x by 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Clear? Instead of writing these many times tan x you will get confused. So let us take tan x equal to y. So what change does it become? So 2y by 1 minus y square plus y by 1 minus 2. Tan x into tan x is tan square. So here I get y square by 1 minus y square. What would be the next step? LCM. LCM in the numerator will be 1 minus y square. So here I don't need to multiply. So I place 2y as it is. Plus here 1 should become 1 minus y square. So into 1 minus y square into 1 minus y square. So it becomes y into 1 is y minus y into y square is y cube. Clear? Same way you take the LCM in the denominator as well. Even in the denominator it is 1 minus y square. 1 should be multiplied with 1 minus y square. Even in the numerator as well. So 1 minus y square, and here I don't need to multiply with anything. So minus 2y square. Clear? Now these two gets cancelled. What is left now? 2y plus y becomes 3y minus y cube by 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3y square. So if I replace y, I get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That is my RHS. We proved it. Am I clear? If every time you write tan, then you will get confused at some point. You will miss a tan here or there. So better to substitute tan x equal to y, simplify, then replace y back. That will be easier approach. Clear? Now look at next sum. Prove the identity cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square equal to this one you need to prove. So if I take, or else let me do both simultaneously. If I expand this, how much do I get? Cos square theta plus a plus b whole square, 9 sin square theta plus 2 into 3 is 6 sin theta cos theta is what do I get here? Let us leave it here, simplified version. Now RHS. This one was for LHS. RHS, it is 5 minus 4 cos 2 theta plus 3 sin 2 theta. Now cos 2 theta I want to change. In terms of what shall I take? Either in terms of cos or sin square. It doesn't make any difference. Choose any one. So let us say I chose sin in terms of sin. So I took 1 minus 2 sin square, and here 3 into sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So 5. Now multiply with minus 4. So it becomes minus 4 plus 8 sin square theta plus 3 into 2 is 6 sin theta cos theta. So 5 minus 4 is 1 plus 8 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta cos theta. Now I need to get here 9 sin square theta. I don't have 1 on the left hand side. So how can this 1 be eliminated? To eliminate this 1, I can write in place of 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta. In place of 1 I am writing this. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, I can do this. And the remaining as it is. So now cos square theta is the first term on the left hand side, so that I wrote. Now sin square plus 8 sin square will result in 9 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta cos theta, which is my left hand side. So we proved both left hand side equal to right hand side. Is it clear? I need to simplify both the left hand side ones and right hand side ones. They both came equal, so I can say they are equal. Now look at next sum. You need to prove 1 minus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta into secant square theta. Just proving it. So if I take left hand side, what do? I change tan square to sin square by cos square theta. What is the next step? I take the LCM. LCM is cos square theta. So 1 should become multiplied with cos square theta. So numerator also same thing. And here no need to multiply. So now cos square minus sin square is how much? Cos 2 theta it is. By cos square theta. So which is nothing but cos 2 theta into 1 by cos square theta is how much? Secant square theta, which is our RHS. So we proved it. Am I clear? These are basic sums of A-level trigonometry. Still many more are there. Let us see one by one. Now the next sum. Prove 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta. How do you prove? Again take left hand side. Tan square can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta. Do the same for the denominator as well. And what is the next step? LCM. So it becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta. Even at the denominator also LCM of 1 and cos square theta is cos square theta itself, here into cos square theta into cos square theta, so it becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta. I don't need to multiply anything because cos square are there. Now what gets cancelled? Cos square will get cancelled. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta is how much? Cos 2 theta it is. Formula for cos 2 theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, which is our RHS. So we proved. If you know the formulas clearly, it's easy for us to prove whatever he is asking.